What if I told you there is a next-gen Layer 1 blockchain completely outperforming giants in speed, scalability, and innovation? While everyone is distracted by Ethereum spot ETFs or another Solana meme boom, Sui has quietly locked over $2.2 billion into its ecosystem, and it's gearing up for something big. Today on CryptoNinjas, I'll break down why Sui is hugely undervalued, why institutions and possibly Pokemon might be jumping on board, and most importantly, why this could be your chance before the next wave hits. So smash that like button and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more crypto content. And if you're trading Sui or any altcoin today, use our Binance referral code for 20% off of the trading fees and $100 in bonus. Let's go. First, let's unpack what Sui is and why its architecture sets it apart. Sui is a Layer 1 blockchain built by Mystery Labs, founded by former Meta or Facebook engineers who helped develop the DM blockchain and the Move language. Unlike Ethereum's account-based model, Sui uses an object-centric model, where every asset is an object with unique properties, permissions, and state. There are three key technical pillars. Number one, parallel execution. Instead of handling transactions sequentially like Ethereum, Sui can process many transactions simultaneously, leading to blazing fast throughput and near instant finality. Number two, scalability. Through the move-based model, it is both secure and scalable. Test networks have demonstrated up to 297,000 transactions per second, which is massively higher than Ethereum's 15 and even Solana's theorized 65,000. Number three, ultra low fees. Transactions cost only a few cents, ideal for micropayments, gaming, NFTs, and social apps. No surprise, this is gaining traction among developers. To put it simply, Sui was designed from day one for real-world utilities, providing the speed that Ethereum could not easily support at scale. But tech alone doesn't build an ecosystem. Adoption does. So here's how Sui is gaining ground fast. First, DeFi tractions. With over $2.2 billion in TVL, Sui is now among the top 10 DeFi chains, alongside heavyweights like Arbitrum, Base, and Hyperliquid. Major protocols include Scallop, a high-yield money market. Number two, CETAs, an automated DEX with concentrated liquidity. Number three, Aftermath Finance, for yield farming, swaps, and staking. Number four, Walrus Protocol, the global data layer for Web3, secure, efficient, and decentralized, and more. For NFTs and gaming, we have Blue Move and Keepsake, which are bringing energy to the ecosystem. Transaction volume and developer activity continue to climb month over month. For the community, there are initiatives like Sui Builder House and grant programs from the Sui Foundation that have engaged thousands of developers globally, funding real innovation. But how does Sui compare to the top layer ones like Ethereum, Solana, and its recent competitor, Aptos? About Ethereum, it is still the OG, but it's plagued by congestions, high fees, and scaling issues. There are definitely layer 2s, but that also leads to fragmented liquidity. When it comes to Solana, well, that is tough competition. Solana is fast, secure, and cheap, with a large user base, with a ton of cultures. It is easily the top performing layer 1 in this cycle, so Sui has a lot to catch up to. Finally, Aptos. Well, Aptos and Sui were once compared neck to neck, but recently Sui's growth has proven that it is definitely the winner in this cycle. Sui is being built with the future in mind. If developers are serious about on-chain games, identity, and micropayments, Sui is where they should be heading to. Lastly, let's talk about why Sui could explode at the end of 2025. And this isn't just hopium. It is backed by real data and momentum on-chain. First, let's talk about institutions. Two of Asia's biggest banks, HSBC and DBS, are now running validator nodes directly on the Sui network. This is massive because these aren't random VCs or influencers. They are serious legacy banks with global reputations. If they trust Sui's infrastructure enough to run validators, that is a huge vote of confidence in the long-term vision of the network. Second, Sui's total value locked, or TVL, just crossed $2.2 billion and growing. That means more and more capital is entering the ecosystem from DeFi, staking, lending protocols, and more. This is an all time high for Sui, and it shows real, sustained user activities, not just hype. In fact, if we're looking at the 1 month TVL change, Sui is growing faster than everyone besides Ethereum. That's not just traders, but also builders, users, and liquidity providers betting big on the future of this chain. Third, let's talk about the Pokemon rumor. Recently, a company called Parasol Technologies, which was quietly acquired by Mr. Labs, the creators of Sui, appeared in Pokemon's privacy policy. People are speculating that a Web3 game or NFT release could be in development and it might launch on Sui. Now, this hasn't been officially confirmed, but just the possibility of Pokemon, the biggest IPs in the world, building on Sui has caused major waves. The token price surged over 60% in just a week when the rumor first broke. And that shows how powerful a partnership like this could be if it turns out to be real. So let's connect the dots. You've got big banks securing the chain, running validators, a DeFi ecosystem exploding in value and usage, and a massive IP speculation that could onboard millions of normies if it pans out. If you've been waiting for a layer 1 to catch fire, this might be the one. I wouldn't be surprised to see Sui price being traded at around $7 to $8 at the end of 2025, maybe even higher if the current bullish momentum keeps rolling. But of course, do not ape all in. Here's how I would do it. Start DCA, or dollar cost averaging, under $3.5. Do not FOMO in all at once. Stake your Sui on chain or in trusted platforms to earn passive rewards. And lastly, stay updated on ecosystem growth. Keep an eye on TVL and any major announcement. And if you're trading on Binance, make sure to use our referral code on the screen for 20% off of the trading fees and $100 in bonus. Sui is making serious moves. All of the smart money is watching. What about you? All right, that's a wrap for Sui's massive potential for 2025. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for the best crypto contents. And make sure to comment down below what you think the price of Sui will be at the end of 2025. Do you think that it's gonna hit 5, 6, 7, or $8, even $10? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. This is Daily from Crypto Ninjas, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.